What's up everybody, Zaz685 here, and today I'm going to be taking apart the PlayStation. So this is the very first PlayStation that ever came out. I could be wrong, comment if that is wrong. Also, I got to give a big shout out to my buddy Austin, who actually gave me this PlayStation to dismantle. So, to take it apart, you're going to need one tool, and it's a star tip Phillips head screwdriver, okay? So, you're going to flip it upside down, and there's a screw here, 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 here. So there's 6 screws, here, take them out. Also, I recommend having a little tray to the side to put your screws in. Sorry about the noise. So once all the screws are out, flip it back over, and then you're just going to lift off the top cover. And this is your disc cover and everything, so you can just put that to the side. Now that we're looking at this, you can have, this is your optical driver right here. So you can take this right out by taking out these 2 cables. You just set it off to the side, don't touch the lens. Also, I'm not responsible if you damage your console during your disassembly. I am just showing you how to do it, and I wouldn't recommend it if you don't want to break it, because it is very possible you could break it. So you're also going to want to unplug this right here from the silver part, and then this black cord right here too. You just wiggle it out. Okay, now there's a screw down here, right here, in here, and right here. So we're going to take those 4 screws out and then set them in a different pile, because you don't want them, you don't want to mix them up. Even though these ones are gold and those ones are black, you still don't want to screw it up. This one's kind of a pain. I don't know if it's my console or all of them, but just look out for it. Okay, now you will be able to take off this plate. Might take a little bit of force. There you go. It's dusty. Set that to the side too. Now you look at the motherboard right here. So under this flap is some of the main chips. Try not to shock it. Like, if you shock any of these, you could possibly ruin the entire console and screw yourself over. This is the LED for the power button. And if you are watching this video because you want to find out how to replace the memory card and controller input, I'm going to show you how to take those out right now. So there's a screw here and a screw here. If you take both of those out, you'll be able to take it out. So I will take it out to show you. I know a lot of people complain about these because dust gets in them and it's hard to clean them or whatever, and then you buy a cheap controller and it fries the whole thing. So I know they're easy to break on this model of the PlayStation, so you can take it out and fully replace it. You can probably find them online. I'll put a link in the description if I find any. So anyway, now for the reassembly, you're going to want to put those 2 screws back in that I just took out, just right on the sides. Alright. Alright, and then you're going to want to grab this plate. Stick it back on there. Make sure it's down there really good. Then you're going to want to put the 4 screws here, 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 like in that hole, and here. The 3 out here have arrows. The one in here does not, but since you're watching this video, you've seen where it is, and you're going to know where to find it, so. Also, with this plate off, you can take out all the inputs on the back. Whoops, dropped my screw. I would recommend you have a magnet on hand if you don't want to try to fish a screw out like me, because now I'm going to have to take out this screw to get it out. Sorry for the inconvenience. It's the most unprofessional way I've ever taken out a screw. So yeah, a small magnet helps. Magnet driver, whatever you got. Because that one is a pain because it's on a small angle, and if you drop it, you gotta get it out. Okay, so next thing to go back on will be your optical drive. So here you're wanting to take this ribbon and put it underneath and to the side of that hole. Where this screw is, you want to put it to the side of that. Then put it back on your, line up all the rubber holes with the metal. And you're going to want to plug your ribbon cable back into its slot. And then this gray and white cable back into its slot. This cable plugs in down here. Sorry if it's a little bit hard to see. Just like that. And then this cable right here into there. Also, those are secure. And this is down. Also, make sure you don't touch your lens, because otherwise you're going to have to replace this, and that's a pain. So then you're going to want to put this back on the very top plate. Flip it and put your last 6 black screws in there. So this is a nice, easy disassembly. It's very simple to disassemble. Leave a like if I helped you out. Also, make sure to subscribe. And what do you think I should disassemble next? If you have a good idea for something for me to disassemble, or just any good video ideas, leave them in the description below. I will